Hello, how are you? The topic of this video is
GitHub Tutorial 10. Review the basics. Before starting the main topic, I would like to correct one of the mistakes in the previous tutorial. More specifically, in Tutorial 8, working on master branch, I mentioned that you should set username and email before pushing the changes to remote repository. But the correct sequence should be set username and email before committing the changes to local repository. In other words, do it earlier. If you have tried out the git commands in Tutorial 8, you may have already noticed the warning when committing the changes without setting username and email. Now let's move on to the main topic of this tutorial. Review the basics we have covered in the 9 tutorials so far. This will be a short video. I won't go into details. It only serves to refresh your memory of the important topics and git commands. If you feel uncertain on a specific aspect, please go back to previous tutorials to pick up the parts you are interested. At the beginning of tutorial, we introduced the concept of Git and GitHub, and listed the reasons to choose GitHub as the distributed source control management system. Then in the preparation stage, we went through the steps to create a GitHub repository on remote server in web browser, install Git on your local machine, acquire PushGit module in PowerShell to be used in conjunction with Git. After the repository and the tools were ready to use, we cloned the remote repository to local machine. To work on the master branch, we covered these important git commands: add, commit, push, and pull. Although branching is the most important feature in Git, it's not hard to use. We learned several useful commands: branch, checkout, and merge. The following tutorials will be random topics that I feel worth mentioning. You don't need to watch them in order. Instead, go directly to the topics that are useful to you. Thanks for watching.